A week after a heavy downpour left Chennai inundated, the rains are back to lash the city, its neighbouring districts, and other parts of Tamil Nadu. According to the latest IMD bulletin, the low pressure area in Bay of Bengal with the associated cyclonic circulation will cross the coast between Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh by tonight or by early Friday morning. As a result, heavy rain is expected in Tiruvannamalai, Kallakurichi, Salem, Perambalur, Tiruchirappalli, Karur, Tanjavur, Tiruvarur, Pudukottai, Dindigul, Madurai, Theni, Sivagangai, Virudhunagar and Tenkasi districts. A red alert has been issued in Chennai, Kadalur, Pondicherry, Villupuram, Chengalpattu, Kanchipuram and Tiruvallur districts. While around 900 people in Chennai are still lodged in relief camps following the previous spell of rains last week, the Greater Chennai Corporation is making sure to leave no stone unturned to avoid flooding of city stretches and prevent loss of life and property. The corporation on Wednesday intensified cleaning and desilting of all the drains and canals in the city. As many as 769 motor pumps have been kept on standby to deal with waterlogging situations. This includes 22 pumps with a capacity of 100 horsepower each and 28 pumps with more than 50 horsepower to drain out water. The corporation is determined to ensure that there is no inundation this time. The Fisheries Department has also been roped in and boats are on standby in sensitive areas as a precautionary measure. The corporation had also deployed around 500 workers from other districts to intensify cleaning of the solid waste accumulated in the city due to the rain. The water outflow from Chennai's Chembarambakkam and Pulal reservoirs has been increased to 2,000 cusecs following the heavy rainfall forecast. The Chennai Corporation has asked the general public to stock up on essentials including food, milk and groceries for at least 2 days. It has also issued other precautionary measures like avoiding going near lakes and water bodies or other low-lying areas. Fishermen have also been advised not to venture into the west central and southwest Bay of Bengal along the coast of North Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh.
1,000 staff and officers. If you see now, almost everybody other than the ministerial staff at this point of time will be there in the ground. We are having two major control rooms. One is for the public calls. Over here there is a number called 1913 wherein the citizens of Chennai can call, and there are 50 lines at a point of time which will be operated, and these calls register the complaint and pass it on to technical officials. Technical officials then follow up the issue and then we inform the complainants. There is another technical control room up in the Ripon building where all the technical issues are aggregated and conveyed to the technical officials in the field in order to ensure that the issues are sorted out with respect to tree fall, with respect to drainage issues, with respect to food to the people which is being given the relief centers, etc. So we are all quite at present we are all up on duty, and we are trying to ensure that in this time of rains and floods the people are not put to much hardship.
Meanwhile, Tirunelveli district witnessed heavy rainfall on Wednesday evening. Several areas of the city were left heavily waterlogged, homes were inundated and a shepherd was killed due to lightning. Landslides on the outskirts of the city left the highway blocked for a couple of hours. Parts of Tuticorin district and Madurai city and its periphery including Melur received heavy rains as well. The southern parts of Tamil Nadu are also predicted to receive heavy rainfall over the next 24 hours. A federal report.